Hello and welcome to today's session. Today we are going to learn about how to create maintenance plan in SAP Plant Maintenance. So I do this by double clicking the Create Maintenance Plan tile. Then I choose maintenance order because that's what I like the system to be generating for me periodically. Then I choose my maintenance plan type. You have the single cycle time based, single cycle performance based, multiple counter, and then strategy. I'll be using the strategy. So I created a strategy for this demo. That's maintenance plan for cooling water circulation pump. So I select that one and then choose continue. Then I describe my maintenance item. This will become the description for the preventive maintenance plan that the system will be generating periodically. So I say preventive maintenance plan for cooling water circulation pump. Then I select the object. So this is where I click to select my equipment. Also, if I know the equipment number or the equipment ID of it, I can simply type it here. And then specify my order type. In this case, I'll be carrying out preventive maintenance. I can select my priority. Maintenance activity type is preventive maintenance. I can assign a task list to it. In this case, I'll choose this task list that I created for this demo. We can display the task list by clicking the task list number to see the task we intend performing periodically. We come to operations and we see check valve, change valve, replace valve. We can check the packages. We'll be checking the valve monthly, changing the valve quarterly, and then replacing the valve yearly. So these are the activities that we intend carrying out. So we can go back to create our maintenance plan. So we come to the planning data. or we can give long text if we want to. We can give a start date. I like to use this plan for 2 years. So I'll have to state that I'll be using it for 2 years. Completion required. So it means I need to complete the previous work order before the system generates a new one for me. And core horizon means, assuming we have 100 days in a year, or it's a 100-day cycle, it means on the 80th day, the system will generate my call object. That's my maintenance order for me. So 80% into the number of days in the year or month or in the quarter, the system generates the call objects, which in this case it's the preventive maintenance plan for me. So I can check my entries. The system tells me everything is okay and I'm good to go, so I can save. And I have my maintenance plan number, which is 42. So this is how to create maintenance plan in SAP plant maintenance. Thank you. I can go back.